안녕하세요 여러분. 여기는 한국입니다. 여기는 한국 저희 집이에요. 지금 한국은 날씨가 너무 좋아요. 지금 제 방이 햇빛이 잘 안 들어서 좀 어두운데 밖에는 되게 밝고 매미 소리도 계속 들리거든요. 보니까 요즘 밴쿠버는 좀 추운 것 같더라고요. 여기서 이 좋은 날씨를 좀 즐기고 가야 될 것 같습니다. 여러분, 밴쿠버 티셔츠 입었습니다. 저 이 티셔츠를 좋아하는 것 같아요. 제가 이 집에서 어떤 모습을 여러분들께 보여드릴 수 있을까 고민을 했는데 최근에 캐나다에 있는 친구가 한국 집이 어떻게 생겼는지 궁금하다고 하더라고요. 찍어 보내달라고. 그래서 정리도 안 된 상태에서 그냥 혼자 이렇게 러프하게 하우스 투어 영상 같은 걸 찍어서 보내줬단 말이에요. Filming the video earlier, but you wanna see the details, so I filming again for you. 근데 제가 이걸 유튜브를 통해서 여러분들께 보여드려도 좋을 것 같다는 생각이 들더라고요. 그러면 제 외국에 있는 친구들이나 외국에 사시는 분들도 볼 수 있을 것 같고, 한국은 보통 아파트에 사시는 분들이 되게 많잖아요. 근데 저희 집은 도심에서 좀 떨어진 한적한 자연 속에 있는 전원주택이란 말이에요. 여러분들이 보시기에도 좀 색다를 것 같다라는 생각이 들어서 하우스 투어 영상을 짧게 찍어보려고 합니다. 안녕. I'm just gonna film this video in English so that my friends, they also can see my Korean house tour video together. And for my subscribers, they can enjoy this video in a different way too. I feel quite awkward. I feel really weird right now. But let's be brave. Let's get started. So here is my bedroom. I think film the video in this way is more better to show my room more properly. So I have a bed, a table, a lamp in my bedroom. I prefer having dark color bedding. I actually really like bright one like white, but I don't think I can keep it clean, so I always have these kinds of color one. And I have a big window over here. It seems like a painting or picture in the frame. And I can see the mountain view or parts of trees and cloud on my bed. It's so pretty. And we have a 3 small window over there as well. And I have a back patio. Oh, I don't think it's patio. Back balcony. We have a back balcony in my room, but we barely use this place, so I normally close the blind like that. Since we barely use this place, I think my mom just blocked it. I'm not sure the why. My mom did it, not me. So as you can see, my room is quite empty, right? Which means I'm a really minimalist. I think this is my family thing, especially my mom. She always buys something that we really need because she don't want to have a lot of stuff in our place. And what else? And we don't think we're gonna use something really often. We just get rid of it. We never keep something for just in case. Yeah. Let's move on to our living room. We actually have 2 floors in our house, and I'm on the 2nd floor. And this is the living room on the 2nd floor. Here's a washroom over here, right next to my bedroom. This is my brother's room, and here is my favorite spot in our house. We also have a big window over there. We actually have mountain behind our house, so we can see the nice view through this window. And especially the view is really nice in the rainy days. Ta-da! And let's head to the downstairs. You need to be careful. The stair is really slippery. This is the living room on the 1st floor. I really love this place. It's so beautiful. We have some trees in front of our house. There's a cherry blossom, there's a maple trees, and what else? I don't know, it's quite mixed. Yeah, you can see the maple trees over here. The maple leaves turns red, which is still really beautiful. Oh, I think my mom really liked display some like flower, plant, and books on the shelf. And here's this is let me show you. So I got those wine from Vancouver on my way back home. I'm not sure about this one, but I'm pretty sure this one is from BC because we have some winery place in Vancouver and I was looking for some wine from BC and that staff highly recommend me this one. I already tried it last night. And I just blocked it off with this cork. It was quite good. And this one is sparkling wine. I know in Vancouver, one of the really famous souvenir is ice wine. But ice wine, I tried that before. It was my taste. That was really sweet. It was too sweet for me. Sweet to me, whatever. So I just got normal one, not a ice wine from Canada. So yeah, this is my living room. And guys, I would say the most best feature in our house is the ceiling. We actually have a really high ceiling. I sometimes say hi, good morning to my dad because my dad, he always lie on here. I didn't mean to show you guys how our window is so dirty like that. But you know, it's really hard to reach there. We need ladder. It's quite hard to clean up that window often. And what should I show you guys more? Okay, let's move on to the outside. Oh, the sun is still really strong. I love it. We have an outdoor table over here. We used to have a barbecue stuff over there right next to our table, but for some reason my dad put it in our storage. And the reason we have yoga mat here is I did tanning last day on there. Here's our another barbecue place. Actually, they set up this tent when I was in Canada. I was like, what is that? We have tent here. We can see green. Oh, what's that? Uh-oh. We have tent here. Last night we did barbecue here because my brother came in our house. I think we haven't cleaned up that stuff yet. So guys, let me finish my house tour. I'm actually not sure if I filmed that enough video. I can only show you guys some part of our house because of the privacy reason, and I think it's really exhausting filming the video in English. Is quite hard. I thought it would be quite easy thing because the topic, the house tour is quite easy topic, but yeah, it wasn't. The thing is, like, if I talking with someone in person, it's more better because I don't mind if I say something wrong. I don't mind if I'm not correct. I mean, if I'm not use correct grammar. Even if I say something wrong, we can do conversation. Like, we can guess what they want to say, what she want to say. But this is recorded, so I actually got a bit pressure by myself. What if I say something wrong? What if I say like messed up grammar? But it's okay because I'm not a native speaker, and even now I don't know what should I say something more. I think I need to finish it. Okay, and I'm really starving right now. I haven't had anything today. It's currently, I don't know what time is it right now. It's currently how can I check? Oh, it's currently 11:35. Thank you for watching my messed up house tour video, and hope you guys enjoyed my video today. See you guys again at the other video, which will be Korean video. Bye.